Hello everyone, this is Roger. In this video, we'll go through view control and plot in ZWCAD, in which I will introduce zoom command, plot. First of all, I will introduce zoom command. In ZWCAD, you can use zoom to zoom in or out to display all visible objects or specify area. You can choose to zoom all, zoom extends, zoom object. There is return command to regenerate the objects in viewport, and you can use pan command to move current view. To observe objects dynamically in 3D space, you can use orbit command. Let's open ZWCAD to try some zoom commands. In ZWCAD, we can scroll the middle mouse button to zoom in or out. The shortcut key for zoom commands is Z. Then we can specify corner of window to zoom selected area. Input shortcut key Z, then input A to use branch command, zoom all to display all visible objects in current viewport. Input shortcut key Z, then input E to use zoom extends to display all objects within the extents of the drawing as large as possible. Input Z, then input O to select specified objects in the drawing to zoom selected objects in the center of the drawing area as large as possible. In ZWCAD, we can use regen command to regenerate the objects in the viewport. Input shortcut key RE to use regen command. Now we can see that the doors are regenerated. We can hold middle button of the mouse to move the view, or we can input shortcut key P to use pan command. Press enter to exit pan command. Input shortcut key OR to activate 3D orbit. Hold your left mouse button to start rotating the 3D view. Press enter to exit. You can use plot to send the drawing to plotter, printer, or file. Let's go to ZWCAD to take a look at the plot settings. Input shortcut key PLOT. You can set up plot-related settings in the promoted window. You can select or import your previous page setup from the drop-down menu if you have any. Then you can select whether to send this drawing to the plotter, printer, or file from drop-down menu of name. Let's select DWG to PDF this time. Then in below drop-down menu, we can choose the paper size we need. For example, we can select ISO A3 sheet. In plot area, we can choose to plot entire layout sheet, or we can choose window to specify the plotting area we want. We can check center on paper to plot this drawing on the center of the paper, and check fit to paper to auto-scale the drawing to fit onto the paper. Or enter the number below or select preset scales from the drop-down menu to set the plot scale. In top right drop-down menu, we can choose whether to plot in color or black and white, or we can choose customize plot styles. Then we can check plot-related options below, and choose drawing orientation from either portrait or landscape. Click OK when finished. ZWCAD will start plotting. Now we have finished view control and plot. Thank you for watching.